So if you'd like to learn how to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube or even the first page of Google, then you need to stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and why it's so powerful. And we'll teach you, and we'll teach your people, and we'll teach your people's people, and you'll make even more money. If that sounds good, let's fucking go. Alright, so what I'm doing here is a elite strategy that was, number one, was people don't do it anymore. Or not that often. People are so busy on social media, etc., and promoting the next big thing that they've stopped doing this. But I'm doing it in a different way. So that's why I'm going to be reading from this blog, okay? Because the search engines, the AI, they're now listening to, okay? Whether you put the text on screen, or not, okay? They're listening, so we're doubling and tripling the SEO, okay? So, Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure. Stop mining gold. Okay, I'm going to show you actual rankings. Just stick with me. The Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure is a picks and shovels digital marketing system designed to automate 80% residual commissions by providing the essential funnels, email automation, and traffic tools required for online businesses. It allows 9-to-5 workers to build long-term digital equity on own land rather than relying on volatile third-party algorithms. In 1848, the world went mad. When gold was discovered at Sutter's Mill, thousands of men abandoned their families to head for the hills. They spent their days knee-deep in freezing water praying for a lucky strike. Most of them died broke. But Sam Brannan didn't mine a single ounce of gold. He became California's first millionaire by buying every pick and shovel and pan in San Francisco. He understood that infrastructure of the gold rush was only guaranteed win. In 2026, the gold is digital and the shovel is the Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make more money while promoting your main opportunity. Okay, if that sounds good to you, keep listening. What is the Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure? To understand this system, you have to look at Sam Brannan. He sold 20-cent shovels for $15 because he knew the miners couldn't function without them. Today, the miners are people jumping from one shiny object side hustle to the next. They're chasing the result without owning the machine. The Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure is the warehouse that provide the high converting funnels, the 150-day email sieve, and the automated traffic rotators that every digital needs to survive. You aren't digging for the gold, you're the merchant providing the tools. Now this is why you want to join my team, because not only will we give you the best bonuses, we're going to give your team the best bonuses. We're going to give teams. Everything we give is, if you're qualified, is duplicatable. I give them to you as your sponsor, you give them to them as their sponsor, they give them to them, etc., etc., okay? We have the best bonuses, we have the best training, and I'll get to that, and I'll also show ranking proof, but you got to stick with me. Who created the Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure? The system wasn't built by corporate gurus who have never worked a job. It was co-founded by Paul Hutchings and Mike Hobbs. They built this on the principle of systems is greater than talent. They realized that most people fail because they try to be the expert instead of using a proven system. As an experienced SEO marketing veteran here in Reno, I use this exact infrastructure because it handles the technical heavy lifting for my team. It's designed so a 9-to-5 worker can plug into a pre-built warehouse and start generating 80% residuals without a computer science degree. The cost of the Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure. Sam Brannan became the richest man in the gold rush because he had massive margins. He owned the supply chain while everyone else owned a hole in the ground. This infrastructure followed the same picks and shovel math. While other programs pay you 10% or 20% crumbs, this infrastructure pays 80% residual commissions. Okay, so it's 2 to profit. The cost to set up your shop is less than a daily cup of coffee, yet it positions you to capture the lion's share of the $500 billion plus home business industry. You're getting industrial grade tools for a fraction of the cost of a traditional 9-to-5 brick and mortar business. Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure pros and cons. I recently ranked a video #1 on YouTube and Google in under 31 hours using this exact logic. This is the power of own land infrastructure. I learned how to do this in the custom training site that I offer you and your members who join you to promote your primary business and make more money doing it as well. Does that sound good? The 150-day email sieve is one of the many bonuses that I offer for joining me and my team. It follows up with your leads while you're at your 9 to 5 doing the selling and telling for you. It requires a shift in identity. You have to stop looking for a lucky strike and start acting like a business owner. It's not a lottery ticket. It's an industrial grade system for people serious about retiring by the end of 2026. Who is the Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure for? If you're working a 9 to 5 and feel like you're digging for gold with your fingernails, this is for you. It is for the person who wants to stop trading time for money and start building a digital warehouse that pays them long-term residuals. And whether you are an SEO veteran or beginning, this provides the picks and shovels you need to stop mining and start presiding over your own digital empire. Can I use the Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure while working a 9 to 5? Yes, the system is designed with a 150-day sieve that automates your follow-up while you're on the clock. This isn't going to show all my bonuses, okay? And all my bonuses are there except one is different. It's all there if you go to the 10, the 25, or the 125 level, or a mix of both, okay? Except for the traffic bonus, which is I pay for out of my own profit, okay? I take my profit, I buy more and more traffic as more and more people join me, okay? So I'll buy we'll split my traffic, okay? Does that sound good to you? And I'll do it every single month out of profit. Does it work for beginners? Absolutely, because the system is greater than talent principles built in the core. You don't need to be a technical expert. The infrastructure provides the pre-built funnels. How to get started? You can begin by equipping your business with a picks and shovel package, giving you immediate access to the 80% residual commission engine. So I need to delete this part. Okay, and this part. Now I'm going to add, let's see if it's there. It's not. See how this is 74? And the publish is not available, right? If we get this to at least 75, it will rank it. It will publish and it will rank, okay? So, because of the authority of this site, okay? And this is another way you can earn more money by not only ranking your stuff much more quicker using the borrowed authority from this website, but you can also resell it, okay? So you can earn residual commissions from this. Win-win, right? So I'm going to go to the rank math, okay? It's a tool that's in here, built in, right? And it tells you exactly what's wrong with this, okay? So right now we want to add a picture, okay? So we're going to add a picture. Upload. Media library. Okay, media library. Okay, so we're going to find the right picture. Boom. Okay. And notice this is at least 75, so we can publish it. Okay, but before we do that, I want to replace this. Okay, I want to open the media library. Okay, and I want to fill this out. Okay. The Home Business Academy affiliate infrastructure. That's the copy. Okay. So now we're going to go back to the picture. Okay. And we're going to fill this out. And we're working smart, not hard, right? Copy. Okay, now we're going to go to over here, back to here, and we're going to paste this right here, right? Okay, now we're going to select. Okay, I want to fix one more thing real quick. So we're going to close this out. It automatically saves this stuff, okay? Okay, we already did this. Okay, cool. Oh no, post. Okay, so we add an excerpt. Okay, we're going to do that. I'm not going to show you all the things, but you see how it goes. It's going to go up. It goes up, right? And it's already there as my featured image. Okay, so let's see if we can do one more thing to add it, raise it a little bit. So let me see. So that's going to tell you what your problems are if you go back to your rank math. Okay. See, this has 4 errors. It says my URL is too long. So that's this part. Okay. Title readability, okay. Content readability, all good, okay. No outbound links were found, okay. So we're going to link to my site, right? John, work with JJ, okay. We're going to link there, okay. Boom. So these are a couple things that you can do in addition, okay. So I'm not hiding information with it. This will help you with any business, okay. So this is where we'll add it. Okay, so we're going to add a link to my funnel. And we will build you a custom branded funnel, okay? Now they do have a done-for-you marketing system, but you want to get the best bonuses to give to your team, okay? And the best training, okay? And I haven't even named nearly anywhere near all the bonuses we have. So look how it went from 75 to 80, okay? Okay, and the 100 is one of the many bonuses I offer, okay, for joining me and my team. So now we're going to okay, we want to find bonuses real quick, okay. All right. Well, so, badass, okay. There it is, all right. Copy. And again, I could do this a lot faster, but I'm trying to show you how it tells you exactly what's wrong. Okay, we didn't have any inbound or outbound links. Okay. Bold. All right. And now we're going to publish it. Okay. Close. Publish. All right, now it's published, okay? So we're going to go check real quick, and then I'm going to go on to showing you ranking proof, okay? Wait, we'll make sure we save the draft. That's not, oh shoot, I think I just saved over my work. Let's see, reload. Why does it say 75? It should say 80. I think I just saved over my work. Okay, this one's 80. Okay, so we're going to save this. All right. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the main site, right? Okay, notice this is the newest one. It should say 70. It should say 80. I don't know why it says 75. It doesn't matter. It's up there. So we're going to go view, right? And see how it looks different now? Okay? So now it's online and on the web, okay? And it will rank faster because of the authority of this site. They've been posting for about 12 to 13 years or more, okay? All right. So now, ranking proof. Okay, so we're going to go, I'm going to show you that I'm actually in a incognito window, right? And I'm going to show you, I'm going to search for this term, right? This is the full title, right? And notice I'm number 1. This video is not live yet, okay? I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, this one was done yesterday. Okay, so the video went online yesterday, but at 31 hours before it was actually the YouTube video was still hidden, it was still ranking. Okay, so number 1 on Google. Okay, so let's check YouTube. Okay, and this is this ad. It's the number 1 video on YouTube and Google. Okay, this is the type of training we will teach you in these 2 sites. Okay. So, Simple Freedom Warriors is a way one of our bonuses that will give you the $7 level for free if you join at any of our 3 levels, okay? You can earn 80% commissions on any level, okay? And you can also bundle up. So, but if you join all 3 residual levels, not only are you going to get all the bonuses, including the traffic boss bonus that I give you, okay? That nobody else gives you this, okay? But I'm also going to give, you need to join our team. But I'm also going to, give you the Simple Freedom Wars as a way to earn up to $1,500. Now, how do you earn $1,500 for something you got in for free? Now, that's powerful. So let's say somebody buys the Duplication